How to make Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo is a delicious and easy meal to make. Here's how. What you need: 2 chicken breasts or leftover chicken diced or shredded, 1½ teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon pepper, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of cream, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and your favorite pasta. Step 1. Add water and some salt to a pot and bring to a boil on high heat. Step 2. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. When the pasta is done, drain the water and set it aside. Step 3. Heat up a large pan on medium heat and add the butter and the garlic and stir for about 30 seconds until the garlic is fragrant. Step 4. Add the cream. Step 5. Add the salt and pepper. Step 6. Add the Parmesan cheese. Step 7. Stir and allow the sauce to simmer for a couple of minutes. Step 8. Add the chicken. Step 9. Add the pasta, turn off the heat, and mix well. Serve the pasta immediately, top with some more Parmesan cheese, and enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Bye just now.